The Good Dinosaur toys. Arlo and Spot are here today. We are so excited to crack these open. This is the new Disney Pixar movie that's coming out next month, and we're excited to take a look at Arlo and Spot from The Good Dinosaur. There's Arlo. Nice. And gotta get Spot here. Here he comes. Tumbling out. Da-da-da-da. Spot. So here is Arlo. You can move his legs like that. Do a little walk in so he can lay down if he likes. Stretch out a bit. Spot has this little circle on the bottom so he can fit on Arlo's back. Look at that.
Hey everybody, I'm Arlo. This is my new friend Spot.
So here is what I'm most curious about. There is this magic button. As you can see, there is an arrow, a yellow arrow, that's pointing to that button. I want to press the button. I want to find out what happens when we press this button. So, are you guys ready to press the button and see what Arlo does? I certainly am. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Pressing the
Button!
Whoa! Arlo's neck moves. Look at him. Hey guys, it's me, Arlo from The Good Dinosaur. This is my friend Spot.
I'm so excited for you to see my movie. Arlo and Spot, Arlo and Spot, Arlo and Spot, Arlo and Spot. My name is Arlo. He's my good friend Spot. My name is Arlo and there is my good friend Spot. Arlo's the name, Spot is my pet. He's my best friend, you bet.
They look really great. They're fun. They're really nice toys. They feel cool. Good boy, Arlo. Good boy, Spot. Hey, I'm not a dog. I'm a dinosaur.
Rah, rah.
And then Spot says,
How, how, how.
Spot, that's interesting that you howl like a dog. Wait, what's a dog? I don't even know what that is. There you have it. There's Arlo and Spot from The Good Dinosaur. They're really great toys. I hope you guys are able to pick this one up and get in some good playtime with Arlo and Spot before The Good Dinosaur movie comes out. And I'm sure it's going to be great. The trailer looks excellent. Hope you guys like this review and get tons of Good Dinosaur stuff as you get ready for the movie to come out. If you guys liked hanging out with Arlo and Spot, click the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to the page for tons more adventures with toys and sweet stuff. So you guys gotta check it out. Hope to see you real soon. Alright, have fun. Bye.